Today I'm reviewing this Cutter Skinsations Insect Repellent with aloe and vitamin E. This product, it has been the game changer for my skin. I would say this is one of the best products when it comes to any type of attack. Okay, if the bugs are just killing you, they always attack you. Okay, this is the perfect solution. Now I love the fact that this spray is so, I would say, so natural in the way that the color, first of all, is transparent, as you can see. Okay, so even if you spray it, I'm gonna do it right now. Okay, it's so easy. I'm gonna put it in my skin too. And this is the best part about this spray, that I love it. When you apply it, it's just, you won't feel anything. It's not even creamy, again, as you can see it, but it's not sticky. So this is the best part of it. It's not sticky at all. You can put it every day. I've been using it every day so far. Every time when I go to work, okay, I have to deal with the patio area, and it's been helping so much. Definitely recommend this product if you need to make sure to take care of your skin when it comes to dealing with the bugs every day or once in a while.